Hey y'all, Shay here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shay Love Hair. Today is a different kind of video. I know you guys are used to me coming with hair reviews and installations and that sort of thing. And today, that's not what it is. I hope that you stay and chat with me for a little bit. But if not, then hopefully I'll see you guys later. So what I want to talk about today is basically what's going on in the Black community and how it is affecting the hair community. I don't even know where to start. So I guess let me start from the beginning so you can understand where I am. And maybe ultimately help me decide where I go from here. The reason why I became so passionate about my channel was because years ago, before I got married, I was a single mother. Their father is in their life. However, there's still no, like child support, no kind of income like that. The bread that I brought in was the bread I had to put on the table. That was it. And sometimes I would get my check and would literally have 30, 40, on a good day, $50 left out of my check to do something for myself. Because of course, the kids come first. You got your kids, your bills, and then you, right? And people had no idea how much I was struggling during those times. I could really go into a harsh detail that y'all wouldn't even believe, like some of the stuff that not even all of my family even know that I went through. But how I ended up having this channel was I was working in this call center, and of course I would use that money that I had left over, and I would do my hair. I would treat myself, go get me some crochet braids. So people, of course, was like, oh my God, who did your hair? Oh my God, your hair is so great, whatever. They're not knowing that, bitch, I'm eating ramen noodles for lunch. Like, I'm struggling. So my channel is really designed, it's for everybody, of course, hair reviews, but I'm really passionate about helping single mothers that's going through the struggle like I did, to be able to learn how to groom themselves, to know how to make themselves still feel beautiful without having to go and pay someone, $100, $125 to go get their hair done. I understand both aspects of it, as I did work in the shop for a while, and there's fees and stuff associated with. So I understand why people have to charge as much as they do. I definitely understand that, but at the same time, I still wanted to teach those who wanted to learn how to do it themselves, so that they could just use that little bit of surplus that they have to be able to do something for themselves. So with that being said, that is why my channel is geared towards that. When I first started my channel, I wasn't sure what exactly I wanted to do. Of course, they kept pushing me to do hair. And at first, like, I did wigs, stuff like that. And I wasn't really passionate about it. But I was passionate about the creativity of it all and being able to express myself. But then one day I sat down and I was like, what do I want to say? What is this platform for? Like, it's actually growing. I'm actually reaching people. What do I want to do? And that's what I thought about. That's the decision that I came to, that's what I wanted my channel to be about. And that's how I know to do it. Protective styles, crochet braids, things like that. Eventually, my plan was to venture off into other aspects of beauty. Outside of crochet braids, my skincare, just different things that I find that's affordable, that works for me, that might work for y'all. But being that my channel is still not, it's not huge, you know, I mean, we're a small family. You know, I've not even hit 5,000 yet. Last I seen, I was like at 4,200, 300, something like that. But we're growing every day. In the past 28 days, we've got roughly about 220 something, you know, that's new to the family. So we're growing every single day. And to those out there who have been there from day one, those first 100 subscribers, you know what I'm talking about. My channel was all over the place at first. And then all of a sudden, it was just like, okay, this is what we're doing on this channel. So with all of that being said, most of the companies that make crochet hair, that make synthetic hair, they are not Black-owned companies. We have some, but it's so hard for us to break into that business. I mean, they have their connects and they real tight with that stuff. It is hard. Coincidentally, the hair that I have installed is actually from a Black company. And just like that, I think one of the very first companies that I worked with was actually a Black-owned company. It was a website. They were a vendor. And they sent some hair, and I'll put their name down below as well. But the hair that I have in now is also from a Black company. It's Be Famous Beauty. I'll put their information down below and on the screen as well. Thank God. Coincidentally, when all this transpired, I had a Black-owned company hair in my head. Because had I not, I don't even know how I would move forward right now. With everything that I'm feeling right now, I don't know how I would have moved forward with recording. So, let me give you present day. Now that you know where I was, what this channel is essentially about. There was a Blackout Tuesday. Most of you are probably familiar with that. Where basically, you know, different people did different things. Either they didn't post that day, or they posted, you know, a black screen just showing solidarity. Or some people, you know, they put out Black content, anything relating to, you know, our Black culture and what's going on right now in the world. And some people just took that time to reflect and didn't post anything at all. Of course, I follow a lot of hair companies on Instagram. I mean, it just always have. Probably because of my obsession with hair. You know, of course, I have a lot of them. And in scrolling through, you know, Instagram, my feed, there was a whole lot of black screens. I was like, okay, this is great. You know, I had put it up myself, you know. I didn't put out a video that Tuesday, even though I probably could have, because this was a Black-owned company, but still, you know, let's just all be united on this front. That was why I didn't post a video. But later that day, like, of course, I went to work because I have a job outside of this, full-time job outside of this. Later on that day, I seen, when I checked my phone, that different hair companies, and I'm not going to name any specific names because, it was a lot of them, but I seen where they had posted, you know, their black screens, or, you know, we stand with you, you know, all of that. And at the time, I was like, oh, that's great. I mean, they're a little late, but, you know, I don't know why they're late. Maybe, I don't know, time difference. Maybe they overseas. Maybe, you know, they need to approve her. I don't really know. So I didn't think too much into it. I was just remember saying, y'all sure was kind of late with this, but okay, you did it, whatever. It wasn't until I watched one of my favorite YouTubers, Leah Levon. I watched one of her videos. Y'all go check her out if you haven't. Most of you are from Leah Levon's page because of the collaboration that we did. Shout out, sis. Much love. I didn't realize that the reason why these companies were so late with their posting was because they were posting in response. I mean, basically, it was damage control. They were posting in response to Leah and I guess some other content creators post and videos, you know, kind of calling them out, like, you know, where are you? How come you haven't said anything? One company had actually posted a sales thing on some ugly hair that they put out or whatever. And y'all go check out Leah's video because she came with receipts and everything, you know, about what these companies had done and what they said and how they were inboxing her, basically trying to get her to silence her voice, basically. And then I was like, damn, like, I sat there for a minute like, okay, after watching Leah's video, like, okay, that makes sense. That's why they were so late. Like, they actually didn't give a damn. I mean, they didn't actually care. I mean, yes, of course, they're donating money now. They posting stuff now. But for a company who gets 99% of their money from the black community, they should have been up at midnight ready to at least post a black photo. At the least. I mean, if you don't care, like, nobody's saying give me your money or else we're going to boycott you. You know, we're not saying that. I mean, if you didn't even actually care, you could have at least faked it. I mean, how much effort does it take to post a black photo or to not post at all? Like, it takes nothing. So that really lets me know, like, it really gives me a clear visual of how much you really don't care. Like, you really don't care. And therefore, and I'm not gonna go on a rant about it. I'm not. But it puts me in a difficult situation because I don't necessarily feel comfortable presenting y'all with hair from companies who I know don't give a damn about me or my subscribers. I don't know. And I know a lot of y'all are here for the hair. You're here for the hair videos. Maybe some of y'all don't even care about what's going on. You just show me the hair, Shay. Look, that's what it is. If you feel that way, put it in the comment section. Because I really don't know where I'm going with my channel right now. I really don't. I have hair from Janet Collection. I'm waiting. It's supposed to be my next hair that I'm obligated to review. And then I have some other videos that are on pause. I actually paused them to do this hair first because I was so excited about this company, because, you know, if you watched before, I've always wanted to review black owned companies first. Like, that was before any of this, you know, happened. Like, I always wanted to uplift my black owned companies, anybody in our community, period. So I have other videos that was supposed to come out within these weeks and the past week, but they're on pause, and I was going to do them later after I got done reviewing this hair. So yeah, I mean, those videos are going to come out. I got about a good month worth of, I mean, maybe about 6 weeks worth of content before I start recording, you know, other content. But I don't know where I want to go with this. See, my position is, my channel is not huge. It's not. I mean, it's growing every day, but it's not huge. I know that. So it's advised for smaller channels that we stick with our niche until we get to a certain level, and then we start to branch off and to do other things. That's what it's supposed to be. That was my plan that I was following. Once I found out what I wanted to do with my channel, I picked a niche and I went with it. And then eventually I was going to bring in, you know, skincare or different vlogs or, you know, just whatever. You know, I like crafts. I'm passionate about that. DIYs, all that kind of stuff that you kind of seen in the beginning of my channel. I was going to incorporate that later when, you know, our numbers were up, when we were a bigger family. But now it's like, what I don't know. I don't know what to do. So with all that being said, in the comment section, let me know your thoughts. Be brutally honest. I'm a brutally honest person. If you, like Shayla, you know, I don't care nothing about what they got going on. I need my crochet hair. I need to know what's going on. Okay. I can do that for you. As long as you understand that these people don't give a damn about us. They really don't. They really don't. And I've always given y'all the truth. If the hair sucked, if I hated it, I'm going to let y'all know. Y'all know that. But the company itself, I've never really went in on, you know, the people, and never really did that because I never really had any issues with them. I haven't been here. I haven't been on this platform long enough. I haven't worked with enough companies to get a bad taste in my mouth for them, you know, personally. I know if y'all don't care about that, you want to know about these videos, y'all understanding these people don't give a shit, but, you know, it's our hair and we need it and I need to know how to do it on budget, then put that in the comment section. I'll do it as long as we're under the understanding that these people don't care. If you think it's time, or are you interested in seeing other things on this channel besides hair, put that in the comments. If you rather just see black-owned companies, which I have to say there's not a lot of them. So if you're a black-owned company, a black-owned hair company, please reach out to me. I'll put my email on the screen now. It'll also be in the description box. Get at me, please. If y'all want to just see that, let me know. Put it in the comments. Because at the end of the day, what's most important is you guys. Like, that's where my passion is, you know? So, let me know your thoughts. Alright, so not gonna hold y'all. I hope that everything I said was understandable. Like, I have all these feelings and I'm trying to put it out, and y'all know, like, I'm introverted at heart. I don't really be talking out my feelings like this, so I'm trying my best to. And I hope that I came across and put it in a way for you guys to understand my position and where I am with this platform. So if you have any questions, if I didn't make something clear, you know, put it in the comment section. Y'all know I will respond as soon as I can. And please, you know, let me know your thoughts on this video and the future of this channel. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I know this video, it may not even get 100 views. For real. I don't really care nothing about that. But what I do want to know is I want to hear from the people who have been rocking with me for, you know, a long ass time, and the people who plan on rocking with me for the extent of this channel. I know that y'all guys are going to be the ones that are vocal and let me know in the comments what you feel. And so with that being said, let me know you guys' thoughts. But I'll see you guys next time. Y'all be safe out there. Peace and blessings.